I'm playing this piece because of a great friend and fan of ours, Crystal Davis, told me that there was a piece for solo oboe by this Paraguayan composer, and I said, "All right, let's do it." And she sent it to me, and it was rather difficult. So I said, "Oh, I guess I need to spend a little bit of time doing this." But this concert was the perfect opportunity for this. The composer, Diego Sanchez Hace, is a conductor, pianist, harpsichordist. He's conducted a number of orchestras and does a lot of contemporary orchestral music and also a lot of early music. And that's kind of evident in the structure of this piece. The piece is called Pitohue. Pitohue is the Guarani term for a small brown bird with a yellow chest and a white stripe across its face. In Spanish, it's called de Venteveo. And as a matter of fact, its range exists all the way up into southern Texas, where it's known as the Great Kiskadee bird. So all three of these birds are indeed the same bird. So the composer chose oboe in order to imitate the timbre and the calls of the pitohues, which you will hear. It's actually based on a poem, Don Juan Pitohue, by a Paraguayan writer, Modesto Escobar Aguino. So this is Pitohue, Leyenda Guarani, by Diego Sanchez Hace. I should probably also mention at the start that this piece uses a couple of rather unusual techniques, some extended oboe technique. You'll hear some key clicking, you'll hear some breath sounds, and in a couple of places you'll hear what's called a multiphonic, where I play several tones kind of simultaneously using kind of an exotic fingering on the oboe, and the effect is kind of like almost like kind of a cloud, not necessarily a chord that you would play on the piano, but kind of like a cloud of sound. So listen to those.